Hi my beautiful fine apples, this your girl Nita and I'm coming at you with this beautiful smoky glitter blue eye look. And if you would like to recreate this look, continue watching. Okay, so jumping right on into this, we're going to start off by priming our eyelids with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey, and we just make sure we blend it out really well. And I'm just setting my lids with my translucent powder. So then we're going to go on with the James Charles Morphe palette, and we're going to use 10% off as our transition color, and we're going to just make sure we pat that in really good into our crease, and then you want to just make sure you blend it out really well. Still using our James Charles Morphe palette, we're going to go into the color Tune, and we're going to just soften up 10% so there's no harsh lines. Now going into the Spice Up Your Life Essence palette, we're going to go into the color Cinnamon Rose, and we're just going to pat that into our crease to deepen it up. So all I'm doing is going back in with the color 10% and also the color Tune because I lost it when I applied Cinnamon Rose. So going back into our James Charles Morphe palette, we're going to just go into the color Spooky, and we're going to just put that in the crease, and we're going to just blend it out because this is going to give us our real smoky effect. Okay, so now we're going to go into the color Brother, and we're going to just put this strictly on our lid, and we're going to kind of cut the crease with this color. Then we're going to go into the color Acapella, and we're going to put this on the lid to just kind of brighten it up a little bit more. And now I'm going back in with Spooky just to kind of deepen that back up a little bit more. And now I'm just going in with my Second Love glitter primer so that I can apply the glitter to my eyelids. And I'm just going back in with Spooky once again. And now I'm just giving myself a wing with this e.l.f. black eyeliner. And on top of that e.l.f. eyeliner, I'm just going back in with Spooky so I can set it. Okay you guys, so onto the face, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize and prime my face, which with me today I'm going to be using my Tasha the Silk Canvas to prime my face, which is a new primer for me you guys. It's supposed to help with containing the oils and make the application of your makeup go on really flawless. So I'm really hoping that this really works out for me because oh my gosh, when I say I get oily, I get oily. Oh my gosh, you guys see this white cast, but don't worry, it's not going to stay like this. And now I'm just setting my face with my Laura Mercier translucent powder to help with containing these oils. Now I'm just going to go in and color correct with my Maybelline Fit Me. Can't remember the name of the color, but I will link it down below, and then I'm just going to make sure I just blend that out really well. And then I'm just going to go ahead and highlight using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. Yes, blend, honey. And then I'm just going to go ahead and set my face with this finishing powder. And now I'm just going to contour my face to give it a little bit more structure. And now we're going to just bronze the face to give it some warmth. And now I'm just going to go ahead and set everywhere that I highlighted with my Sacha Buttercup. And I'm just contouring my nose with the same powder that I used to bronze my face.